Hi, I'm Nin from NiNDesigns. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 5-stitch right cross cable without a cabling needle. We will take these 2 stitches at the back of the 5 and move them to the front. The front stitches will then move to the back over the center purl. The purl will remain in the center. So let's get started. What I do first is drop the first 3 stitches off the left hand needle and press them with my finger against the right hand needle as I scoop up the last 2 stitches from the left needle. I take the left hand needle and carefully pick up those 3 drop stitches. And then I return the 2 stitches on the right hand needle back to the left hand needle. And I simply work them through the back of the loop. And as you can see, that is the start of our right cross. Next, we need to get the purl in the center. Bring the yarn to the front of the work, look over your left needle, and slip the tip of your right needle into that leg of the purl stitch. Then carefully remove the 2 knit stitches off the left hand needle. This frees the purl stitch and it allows us to place it on the left hand needle and allows us to purl it. So now the purl is in the center of our cable. What we need to do next is finish our cable by working the last 2 stitches as knit stitches. And in this case, they are knit through the back of the loop stitches. And that is how the cable is created. Learning to knit cables without a cabling needle is an excellent skill that every knitter really should have. It allows you to complete your work at a faster pace because you're not constantly looking for a cable needle. And it also allows you to knit when you cannot find a cable needle, which is usually my case. So give this a try. I think you'll like it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.